So, tell me about your new plane.
How to tell you?
6S power?
Yeah.
Pattern plane? Rainbow? 14 by 7 wood prop. 6S2350. Maiden flight. So why is it making a farting noise?
Very funny sound. I don't know if it's a motor sound.
So if we get the big jobs and we make the big money, when we look back now, will our jokes still be funny? Will we still remember everything we learned in school? Still be trying to break every single rule? Will anybody be the stockbroker man? Can ever find a job that won't interfere with the tan? I keep thinking that it's not goodbye. Keep on thinking it's our time to fly. And this is how it feels. As we go on, we remember all the times we had together. And as our lives change from whatever, we will still be friends forever. Friends forever.
As long as the motor doesn't tear out of the plane, it's okay. Hey, show me something.
Will we think about tomorrow like we
Hey,
think
Paige.
about now? Can we survive it out there? Can we make it somehow? I guess I thought that this would never end, and suddenly it's like the women and men. Will the past be a shadow that will follow us round? Will this memory fade when I leave this town? I keep thinking that it's not goodbye.
Ready lah.
I keep on thinking it's our time to fly. As we go on,
Flat spin.
we remember all the times we had together. And as our lives change
High enough.
from whatever, we will still be friends forever. As we go on, we remember all the times we had together. And as our lives change from whatever, we will still
I have to buy the engine.